Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat for ya. Take a number. I was like Nick before the thunder.
Some dead shrimp and see if we can get some croakers spot off of Solomon's Island Pier. So stay tuned. I'm about to leave now. I'm going on the pier to see if I can catch something because I don't have my boat because my truck's broke. So now I'm supposed to be fishing from land. So let's go ahead and see what we get. It's about a probably 45-minute drive from here. See you when I get there. To get to Solomon's Island, basically I'm going to take Pennsylvania Avenue on the Maryland side all the way down like 50 miles. So it's going to be like a 45-mile ride. I'll get there by 6:51 to the bait shop though. But straight shot on Pennsylvania Avenue. That's all you gotta do. Hey y'all, this is Woody, and the rain has finally started. You know, slight drizzle. I already bought me a poncho, and I just got coming back from Bunky's charter boats to get some bloodworms. So I got my bloodworms in here somewhere. Look at that. Yep. Bloodworms, remember when they were like $3.99 and back in the day? Bloodworms are now $12. $12 for a dozen of bloodworms, so that's $1 a worm. So you gotta cut these up in little pieces, you know, to get your money's worth. So they're mixed with like mud and some of the grass I guess they found them in. And I'm not trying to get bit today by these, so let's go ahead and hurry up, get on the water so we can get us a good spot. Alright, later. Just so y'all know where I'm fishing at, I'm here at it's called Pepper Langley Fishing Pier. And this is it right here in Solomon's Island, Maryland. So this is where I'll be fishing off that pier way over there. I'm gonna do some crabbing while I'm here also. So stay tuned for that too. Weather is seem like weather it's not raining right now. It's supposed to be raining, but it isn't right now, so I'm trying to get it in. First fish, striped bass, too small, gotta let them go.
Got him. Oh yeah, you got him. Oh, you fighting a skate.
I ain't no skate.
There it is. Trying to get away from it. You trying to get up underneath this dock. Bring him up.
Probably so. Oh damn. Stingray. And croaker. It's raining right now, so I can't really have my camera in the rain. But this is croaker. The rain. Got croaker. Pillow crab. Got one on pillow crab.
Can I get some, oh, when you finish, can I get some light down here? Yeah. I got you.
Great bass, too small, pillow crab. On y'all, it is Tuesday, I believe May 29th, and I'm just playing hooky from work today. Going to do some fishing. Got rained on while I was in Maryland, so said I might as well catch some sheep's head when I got back here to Georgia. But right now I'm in South Carolina right now. Right outside of Parris Island. About to go fishing on the bridge over there. This is where I catch some sheep's at, so hopefully they're there today and the storm didn't mess them up. So we'll see what we get today to make up for all the bad days I had fishing. And I'll put it all together into one video after I'm done this today. May try some bass fishing too on the way home. We'll see how the weather goes. So stay tuned. These are croakers that I caught from Maryland. Not that much, you know. They're okay size. Right there. It's only got like 5 of them. what it is. Stupid toadfish. Looked like I had a bite. Line. Yep. They down there, as you can see. See that? Sheep's head. Yeah. Ooh, a nice big old spot. Nice. Off fish bites, bloodworm fish bites. There you go. What's going on here? I think he let go. No, he's still on there. Nice. What is that? Not what I wanted though. It's a fish. Ouch. Yep. Right there. Feel a crab. Shot. Drop shot rig. Here outside of Paris Island. There you go. So, ooh. Wow, we'll catch him on this damn line. You don't cut it. You don't cut it. Come on over, get him over there. Small, feisty. I gotta go light on this. Yeah. I got this light tackle on here. Oh, you mother freaker. In there, gotta go easy. Part. Trying to get him on here in this light line.
Nice. Got a boy.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo. Got him. Oh, got him. Got his. And got him one. Went all out.
That's probably the biggest one I've caught.
And the hard part.